What's going on, everybody? Chris here, and in this video we're going to compare Kajabi and Udemy. These two are both giants in the industry and they cater to different users' different needs and their goals. Choosing which one to use for your business can be a mind-boggling decision, but no worries, because at the end of this video I'm sure you're going to know what's best for your brand. And of course, if you find this video helpful, I hope you give it a thumbs up. Just to clarify, this is not a sponsored video. These are my unbiased opinions formed through personal experience and extensive research on the topic. However, I do have an affiliate link in the description if you'd like to sponsor our content creation efforts. Additionally, I offer some enticing bonuses for you to explore. For example, normally if you go through Kajabi's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you're going to get a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a huge thank you, I'm also going to give you access to my full course, Kajabi Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. I'll talk more about this amazing offer later on, so just keep on watching. So I'll start by giving you a quick overview of these platforms. I know you've heard of these two as they're both very popular, but note that they serve different purposes. Kajabi is known for being an all-in-one business tool for online course creators. It has everything you need to run your business: course creation, email marketing, website building, sales funnels, and analytics. This platform is perfect for those entrepreneurs who want to own their audience and want complete control over their business or brand. As for Udemy, it's like a whole store of online courses. If you're a coach or an educator, you can upload your courses here and your students can browse your available topics and eventually purchase some lessons. This tool would handle the marketing, hosting, and transaction processes on your behalf, but in return, it will also have full control of your promotions and pricing. Now, here's one of the deciding factors that I know you'd really consider, especially if you're just starting out with your business: pricing. First, let's talk about Kajabi. This tool operates on a subscription model. The lowest plan starts at $69 monthly. Yes, it's a bit steep, but this plan already includes everything you need to build your business, such as course hosting, email marketing, website building, and more. It's like you're paying for a whole business infrastructure. Talk about value for your money. Udemy, on the other hand, can be used for free. You can upload your online courses to the platform without any upfront cost. The only downside is that Udemy takes up to 75% of your sales if you make the sale through the tool's platform. So yes, you might not be paying up front, but eventually, as you make sales, you're gonna. Next, let's talk about control and ownership. One advantage of Kajabi is that you own everything, from your brand and customer data to your content. It's a huge deal, especially if you want to build a sustainable business. You can set your prices freely, create your preferred marketing strategies, and communicate directly with your customers and audiences. Meanwhile, Udemy is popular for providing its users with a massive audience. Unfortunately, you don't fully control your pricing, and the platform frequently runs discounts. Udemy even reduces the perceived value of your online courses, which is bad news for you. Additionally, you don't get direct access to your students' data, so it would be impossible to build long-term relationships with them. Now, it's time to break down the features and tools of Kajabi and Udemy. When it comes to features, Kajabi is considered a powerhouse. With this platform, you can create blogs, landing pages, websites, email marketing campaigns, analytics, and even host podcasts. It has a robust course builder where you can add various elements like assignments, downloads, and even quizzes. With Udemy, creating courses is more user-friendly and straightforward, but pretty limited compared to Kajabi. On Udemy, you can add quizzes, PDFs, and videos to your courses, but you won't have much freedom regarding customization. So I think this platform's core strength is its ease of use and simplicity, making it very beginner-friendly. All right, let's move on to community and support. This factor can also make a big difference, especially if you're a newbie in the field. Fortunately, Kajabi prides itself on having a vibrant user community and numerous resources like a comprehensive knowledge base and webinars. And of course, let's not forget about the 24/7 live chat support that often gets praised for being helpful and responsive. Although Udemy has a great community and support system, it focuses more on assisting the students than the instructors. So if you're the course creator, you might feel like you're on your own when encountering issues with the platform. Now, let's go into marketing and sales, which are crucial for any business. This is where Kajabi takes center stage for its built-in tools for automation, sales funnels, and marketing. With all those features, you can track conversions, segment your audience, and create detailed campaigns within the same platform. Kajabi's tailored to help business owners streamline their processes and maximize revenue. For Udemy, the marketing's different. Since it's a marketplace, Udemy is going to handle all the marketing related stuff for you. It runs frequent promotions and has extensive advertising campaigns. Although this may sound like a good thing, it can mean you'd have less control over your discounts and pricing. Okay, let's go to student experience, which is another factor to consider when choosing your platform. With Kajabi's help, you can create a cohesive, branded learning experience where you can customize your course's landing page, add community capabilities, and even build a mobile app. All these tools can help you provide a professional and immersive experience for your audience and students. Udemy, on the other hand, offers a more standardized experience, but despite the platform being user-friendly and easy to navigate, you won't enjoy much customization. Without customization features, your course is going to look like any other course on Udemy, so this might not be the best choice if you're really trying to stand out. I think it's also important to know your earning potential on both platforms. On Kajabi, there is a higher upfront cost, but lets you keep 100% of your revenue. You can create multiple income streams through coaching, memberships, and even more. And what's even more incredible is that you have full control over your pricing. So, price your content based on the value you think it's worth. Meanwhile, Udemy's earning potential is more variable. It lets you price your courses to attract more students, but this platform significantly cuts your sales. If you sell through their promotions, Udemy can take up to 75% of your revenue. That leaves you with only 25%. Simple math. And honestly, that can greatly impact your earnings. This means Kajabi wins in the earning potential arena because it gives you higher profitability in the long run. So that's our comparison of Kajabi and Udemy. Before we wrap up, I want to share a special offer with you guys. If you decide to go with Kajabi, use my link in the description to get your 30-day free trial compared to 14-day free trial with Addit. You're also going to get access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. Kajabi offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using Kajabi in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth over $900, but you're going to get all that for free as a thank you for using my link because it's an affiliate link. When you use it, I do get a small commission at no cost to you, so thank you so much for using that. So which platform is right for you, Kajabi or Udemy? It all depends on your goals and preferences. If you're looking to build a branded online business with full control over your content and pricing, Kajabi is going to be the better choice. However, if you're starting out and want immediate access to a large audience without upfront costs, Udemy could be a good option. I hope this video helped you make a more informed decision. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to comment below. I will do my best to respond to all comments and provide helpful answers. If you found this content helpful, please give it a thumbs up to show your appreciation. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the inside.